Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video we will talk about the loan. So what is loan, how it works and how EMI is created. So everything we will discuss in detail. So let's start. First thing, how EMI work here, we will explain this thing. Basically, a card's EMI refer to the option of converting your credit card purchase into a quoted monthly installment, that is called EMI. It allows you to split the cost of high value purchase into a smaller manageable payment over a specific period. So let's try to understand in a simple words. Suppose you have to purchase some item which value is more than 15,000, 20,000, very high value, 25,000, 30,000. But we have to purchase the things, no option. Okay, we did the purchase from any big shop like Reliance, whatever it is. After that, account got cycled. We don't know, means account got cycled and we have to pay due date generated. But we know we cannot make payment, means we cannot make the full payment on time. So what is the other option here to avoid any kind of delinquency and all? We will convert that transaction into EMI. Suppose our principal transaction we did is around 20,000 and we know that we cannot make payment on time, so we split it into 6 month EMI. Just take for example, so for 6 month EMI, okay, each month we have to pay some 3,000 plus amount every month, including some interest might be. So this is the means basic understanding of the EMI. So now here how cards EMI typically works. For that, first is the its eligibility. Now, if you go into the market, almost every credit card issuer they means they provide the means EMI offer. Suppose whatever you did the purchase on the Amazon, Flipkart, and also you can convert those transactions into the EMI. So for you need to check whether your card provider to see if they provide this option and if you qualify for it. Now almost every bank so above transaction like to 2,500, 500, even a small amount transaction also you can convert into EMI. Now next is the purchase. So when you make a purchase using your credit card, you may have the option to convert that transaction into an EMI. This option is usually available for certain types of purchase such as electronics, appliance, travels or other high value items. Suppose you did the transaction and you are checking all those transactions into the online. So you can see whether those purchases are eligible for the EMI or not. Now next is the EMI tenure. You can choose the repayment tenure for the EMI, which can range from a few months to a couple of years, depending on the credit card provider and the specific purchase. Tenure and associated interest rates will be communicated to you by the credit card issuer. So when you convert into the EMI, you have to select the tenure, like whether you want 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So your EMI amount vary as per the tenure you selected. Now, what is the next option? Is the interest rates. Usually cards EMI comes with an interest rate which may vary depend on the credit card provider, the tenure chosen and the nature of the purchase. The interest rates for the card EMI are typically lower than the interest rate charged on regular credit card transactions. So nowadays just to make more means more and more business, most of the credit card providers they are providing EMI facility and very less interest rates. They are hidden means hidden purpose is to attract more and more customer towards to get the more and more profit. Maybe time it will take time, but that is the main means main purpose behind that. Now after the conversion process, to convert a purchase into a EMI, you need to contact your credit card provider through their customer service helpline or online portal. They will guide you through the conversion process and provide you with the necessary details, including the EMI amount, tenure, and any associated charges also. Now to conversion process or to EMI, there are multiple options we have. So one option is suppose we did the 30,000 rupees transaction. We know that we cannot make the payment on time. So we can convert that particular 30,000 transaction into the EMI of 6 month, 12 month. So EMI will come according to that. Another option is suppose we have our means our statement got generated for 1 lakh. We know that we cannot pay the entire amount 1 lakh. So we can choose that option also. Okay. Out of 1 lakh we paid 60,000, remaining 40,000. So whatever remaining amount we can also convert those amount into the EMI. Third option is suppose we did the like 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 rupees three transactions. and we know that we cannot make payment on time. So we can select those particular three transactions. We can also convert into the EMI. Now next is the billing and payment. Once the EMI conversion is processed, the EMI amount will be added to your credit card bill each month. You need to pay the EMI amount by the due date to avoid any late payment fee or penalties. Now it's important to know that card EMI is a credit facility and any outstanding amount will be considered as part of your credit card debt. If you fail to make the EMI payment on time, it may attract additional interest charges and negative impact your credit score also. So whatever EMI getting billed, you have to make payment on time. Don't miss the date. Otherwise, bank they will put various charges like late interest, service, whatever it is. So to better play it safe and make payment on time. Now I will explain you how to create a loan. Now, if you talk about the Vision Plus here, see till now I have worked for seven or eight business, and each business unit they have their different. Like some of them have customized front end application or customized module to get to handle the loan. So for that, like whenever we are going to create a loan, first thing we have to check whether our loan is loan type, whether it is secured loan or unsecured loan. After that, based on the loan type, we have to select the promo code or offer code from the given means on the screen portal. Now, next step is to give, after selecting the offer code or promo code, we have to enter the card number, loan amount, tenure, and risk related parameter. After the press enter or whatever it is submit. But once the loan is created, we have to check all the details like loan number, what is the loan principal amount, EMI, risk related parameter. We can see go and check its detail. And after check the OTP of the account number means how it is getting impacted. Once the loan is created, let account is cycled and statement is generated. We can check all the billed EMI and its details every month. We can also see the first EMI generated, what is the principal amount, what is the interest amount, so and what is the remaining amount. We can check all those details in the EMI details also. So this is all about the how loan works in how EMI work here. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision.